You are cheering the AI era, thinking prompts that write your reports are the ultimate working-class cheat code. You think you've mastered magic, but from the boardrooms of Wall Street, I see a different picture. An absolutely legal, bloodless, and zero-cost mass purge of white-collar labor. Your efficiency merely accelerates your own obsolescence. You think AI-boosted productivity earns you a raise. Naive. It's like me installing an automated smart feeder. The cats think it's a blessing for an easier life, but this machine doesn't need health insurance or weekends off. I bought it so I can vacation in Hawaii and ruthlessly fire the nanny who poured the cat food. Her severed salary pays for my first-class ticket. In the brutal modern workplace, when you use AI to compress 3 days of work into 3 hours, the actuary's sheet shows only one conclusion. Your replacement cost is approaching zero. A business line that required 3 employees now needs only 1, terrified to complain. The result? The other 2 are escorted out with cardboard boxes, while you do 3 times the work for the exact same salary, constantly fearing replacement by a cheaper fresh graduate. History is repetitive. The Industrial Revolution replaced beasts of burden. The AI economy is depreciating your cognitive labor. If you still treat AI as a toy to slack off, rather than acquiring the capital behind it, then I sincerely hope that in the inevitable tsunami of layoffs, you run slightly faster than the algorithm's elimination line. Share your joy of slacking off in the comments, just to amuse me. The fat cat naps, the money hunts,